An under-door draft stopper can be attached to the bottom of a door or laid in front of a door to block air, sound and smoke transfer, which is good news for your energy bills and personal comfort. Door draft stoppers also help to keep bugs from sneaking into your home uninvited. There are many products available to choose door draft stoppers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best door draft stoppers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Suptikes Door Draft Stopper Under Door Seal. With its low-profile design, the Suptikes Door Draft Stopper Under Door Seal is one of the best door draft stoppers if you want your option to remain well hidden. It can be used in houses, garages, basements and more, and features a 3-layer design, which makes it thicker and more durable than many competing models. It's also super simple to install and can be used on doors up to 393 wide. Plus, this door seal is available in a range of color options, including white, black and brown. Number 2. MAXTID Under Door Draft Blocker. The MAXTID Under Door Draft Blocker is an effective way to block drafts, noise, light, and smells from creeping under your door. It's easily installed and can fit doors up to 383 in width. It's also available in 5 colors, making it easy to find one that matches the color of your door. The thick blocker can cover under door gaps up to 1.43 and can be installed or removed in a matter of seconds without leaving any marks on the door. Number 3. MAGZO Door Draft Stopper. It may seem a little odd, but having a portable door draft stopper isn't quite as crazy as it sounds. With the MAGZO door draft stopper in your hands, you'll be able to throw it down next to any door to prevent cold drafts from coming in. The stopper's design even means it's easy to move it around the house as required, or to take it with you when you travel for extra defense against the unpleasant cold weather, or blocking light for a sleeping baby. Furthermore, this popular draft stopper comes in a range of different colors and sizes, and includes 2 handy carrying loops on either end. Number 4. DeeToolMan Door Draft Stopper. With its Velcro seal, the DeeToolMan Door Draft Stopper is a secure and effective way to prevent drafts around the house. This draft stopper is made from durable styrofoam which slides easily across all kinds of floor surfaces. The stopper also fits doors up to 363 wide, and blocks gaps of up to 1.33 high. To install the device, simply apply the Velcro backing to the back side of the door, and then attach your stopper when it's required. This easily separated attachment makes this a great choice for seasonal users. Number 5. DeCOREALM Heavy Duty Door Draft Stopper. You may not believe there's such a thing as a classy door draft stopper, but when you see the DeCOREALM Heavy Duty Door Draft Stopper, you'll realize how wrong you are. This high-quality piece is made to last and comes in a range of different colors, including charcoal, spice matcha and pink blush, making it easy to match your draft excluder to your home interiors. It also weighs a hefty 3.5 pounds to prevent unwanted movement, measures 363 in length, and includes double hanging cords for easy portability and storage. Unlike most door draft stoppers, this product can be used for windows, sliding doors, and even fireplaces. And like the best door draft stoppers, the cover is machine washable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.